Alright, so this is my personal story and trajectory changes. When I got to college, I didn't really know what to expect, so I kind of just decided to go with it. Then the new experiences that I had while at college really helped me think about my future and realize how my life was going to be. In the beginning of college, I expected to get mostly or all A's, but by now I have realized that that's not going to happen. And my grades aren't all D's like that, but they're not all A's either. This is my girlfriend Lainey. She has been very supportive and influential this year. She does not go to the U. These are my friends, Brian and Casey. Sorry about the bad pictures. I don't really have any other pictures of them. They have also been very supportive and influential. My goals and perceptions haven't really changed, but in the beginning I didn't really know how I was going to accomplish my goals, and now I know. And I don't really have any specific memories from this year, but I really enjoyed exploring the city, and Spring Jam was kind of fun too, so that's a good memory. My aha moment was when I realized that I was way too messy and my life would be way easier if I was organized, and I needed to do that. And then challenging moment has basically been this entire second semester because I tried working 15 hours a week and keeping up with all my classes, and I missed a week for my grandpa's funeral, so I kind of got behind. So yeah, second semester's been a little rough. My biggest accomplishment was somehow managing to get burrs all over my entire clothes. Throughout the year, and since last summer, I've become more independent and organized, but I have also been getting less and less sleep. My proudest moment was going home this winter break and having good grades and completing my first semester of college. And at the end of the year, I finally learned about myself that I'm a resilient person and I can recover from my mistakes and problems that I have had. Thank you.